Alright guys, isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Meron tayong reaction video dito kay Rob Trip. Alright guys, ang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Senator Amy Marcos question DILG Secretary Remulla sa kanyang pag-arrest kay former President Roa Duterte, no? Ito ay isang group job daw na ginawa na hearing today sa March 20. Arrest former President Rodrigo Duterte. Alleged crimes against humanity before the International Criminal Court. Ayan, nabuking na, no? Nabuking na. At panoorin po natin guys, another further ado, let's watch dito sa ating reaction video.
Nagsalita po ang ating mahal na Secretary John Vic na ang nagplano po rito, o yung pagkaintindi namin, ang nagplano ay kayo.
I would like
Secretary Anyo, Secretary Gibo Chodoro, at ang pinangalan, ang Chief PNP, General Marbil. Apat yung pinangalanan sa isang interview ng ating Secretary ng DILG.
Can I answer that, ma'am?
Yes, please, you're recognized.
The question was, who planned this? I did not state in any way who planned it. The meeting was of executive privilege. It is a conversation between the president and the ones I mentioned.
So what exactly did you say? Ano sinabi po ninyo? Intindi namin, itong apat na pinangalanan, ang siyang nagplano.
Nagplano nga, no? Sinabi niya. Pero dinidik pa rin na hindi daw, no? Booking na. Alright?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir, I'd like to understand. I think your brother was trying to explain what he said in the interview, and I'm
They
happy
asked
to hear
me if I planned it. I said it was not me. There were other people in the room, but we did not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Saan nanggaling yung mga pangalan na ito?
Ma'am, that again is executive privilege. Ma'am, let me explain, ma'am. Let me explain first, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am. Let me explain first, ma'am. We were discussing rumors of an impending arrival.
Parang hindi yung ganun ang dating sa amin eh. Ang pagkaintindi namin,
the whole
apat na
truth,
nagplano.
That is what we were discussing rumors.
Ayan, apat na nga nagplano, no?
Huwag na lang natin para maintindihan, ha?
Ayan, nagsisinungaling pa.
And who was really on top of this? Ikaw ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was you and the president.
Yes.
So ikaw ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Ay, hindi naman. It was a group effort, Secretary Chodoro.
Oh, group effort?
Secretary Anyong was there too, and the president and I. So, hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang stand by that, ma'am. Last man standing doon sa Malacanang. I stand by that. Kasi Secretary Chodoro was working out of his office.
Napakaliwanag po ng sinabi ninyo. Wala namang mapakiyangkiyaw doon sa sinabi.
Yes, ma'am.
Patayin na muna natin. Napakaliwanag po ng sinabi ninyo. Hindi ako mag-isa, kahit ako ang kasama ng presidente nung nagsalita sa press con, hindi ako mag-isa ang nagplano. Isang grupo kami. Tapos pinangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo.
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege. But, ma'am,
walang privilege kasi binunyag na ninyo sa TV.
I must state it very clear. As I stated very clear, that there was no mastermind. We were discussing mainly about what the president's statements were in Hong Kong, and it was based all on that statement, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isa.
Pero nga, maliwanag na sinabi, no? Isinungaling talaga, no?
There was no planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
I said, hindi ako nagplano.
Ay, isang grupo na nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am, and that was all.
Rumor lang yun?
Rumor.
Group effort ang sabi mo eh. Ang tanong niya,
Booking na, no? Rumor pa.
There was no
hindi
planning,
group
ma'am.
effort.
There was no planning, ma'am.
Ano yung effort ng group
Ma'am,
kapag hindi
let
plano?
me make-
I think that's including into executive privilege already.
Ayan, dapat digdigin nyo na yan.
Just asking him to explain the media.
Yes, ma'am. But it's already a very thin dividing line between what transpires in a room between cabinet members and a media statement. But there's a very thin dividing line, ma'am.
Understood.
I hope that we can respect executive privilege.
Understood, and the Senate and the Secretary Chodoro is fully aware. Every time there's a need to recess the executive session, I'm happy to do so, and I will do so when necessary. Pero ngayon, sinabi kasi sa TV, paliwanag naman ninyo sa atin kung ano ibig sabihin. Kasi ang sinabi, hindi ako mag-isa na nagplano, may grupo kami.
They asked me if I planned it. Sabi ko, I did not plan it. I said we were there. And not to skirt, ma'am, executive
Maliwanag nga sinabi, no? Booking na.
mainly because of the statements of the former president in Hong Kong that he said, in his words, ma'am, in Hong Kong, that I think you have a clip. He said that ang reading ko ay may ICC warrant of arrest na. That was the best of my record.
So, pinag-group effortan? Anong
To discuss the
ng
rumor, ma'am.
grupo na
But again, ma'am,
pinangalanan nyo?
as far as I will invoke in executive privilege, there was no, you cannot plan on a rumor, ma'am.
Kaya nga, kaya nagtataka
So,
ako,
again,
bakit
ma'am,
group effort? Chismis lang naman yun.
Chismis. Ayun
Kaya
na,
nga, kung chismis, bakit mag-group effort pa? Tapos pinangalanan mo
ma'am,
pa lahat na
maraming
nag-group
marites
effort.
pa doon to, ma'am. It was,
Sabi naman yung marites, dami-daming
it was
marites
a
sabi.
discussion of a rumor based on the statement of the president in Hong Kong.
Nakakatuwa lang dahil chismis lang pala eh. Bakit sesentensyahan yung tao sa base ng chismis?
It was a discussion of a rumor based on the statement of the president in Hong Kong.
So you deny that you're part and parcel of the planning and that the other persons you named, hindi rin sila kasali dun sa pagpaplano?
Again, ma'am, we were discussing the statement of the former president while he was in Hong Kong, that he said that there was he said, in his words, ang rinig ko ay may warrant at arrest na ako. So that was the only basis of
Sinungaling, no? Sinungaling.
Yung group effort ninyo,
Yes, ma'am.
pinagtulong-tulungan ninyo yung isang bahagyang chismis.
It was, ma'am, all of that is, again, the statement of the former president, not ours.
Okay, so walang kinalaman to. Pero para lamang sa kaprasong chismis, magtitipon-tipon pa yung mga sekretary ng kabinete. Nakakatuwa naman.
I call it Pachibay, ma'am.
Opo. Anyway, nabanggit na paulit-ulit itong Interpol, ano? At nabanggit na ng SOJ. At alam naman natin, yes po. Yes, Secretary
our name
Tudor,
was,
please. O kasi kasali kayo eh.
alluded to. The Department of National Defense and the Armed Forces of the Philippines
Kasali sa nagplano, no?
mandate. Our sole mandate is to give support to the Philippine National Police when it is asked for. And therefore, such ends our jurisdiction. The operation is clearly a law enforcement one, and the Philippine National Police has the power to ask the armed forces to assist. And that is the extent of the participation of my department and the armed forces of the Philippines. And all other matters in supporting the Philippine National Police are covered by operational security.
Tama po. Kaya hindi talaga chismis lang to. Meron talagang natanggap. At sinabi rin sa isang interview, alas 3 ng umaga, natanggap na yung notice of arrest nung Martes, March 11. Sinabi naman ni Secretary Remulla na si PNP General Marbil nakatanggap ng notice of arrest warrant alas 3 ng umaga ng Martes at sinabihan ang Pangulo ng alas 6. Nabasa niya ng alas 6 ng umaga. So, ibig sabihin, hindi po chismis to. Meron ng notice of arrest warrant.
You're
Totoo na
talking
siya.
about two different things.
Okay.
March 10.
Sige, clarify po ninyo para
March 10
maintindihan namin.
was conjecture.
March 10,
was
chismis pa lang yun.
Yes, ma'am.
Dala nung salita galing sa Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
March 11 was a formalized transmission
Okay.
by the ICC towards Interpol. And that was the first knowledge that this administration had of the presence of a action by the ICC directed towards Interpol. And that was the only formal knowledge that we had.
So, andun lang. So, ang ibig sabihin, ang gobyerno hindi tumulong sa ICC sa application ng warrant. Nagulat kayo na dumating na lang yung dokumento.
Yes, ma'am.
Wala kayong kaalam-alam or paghihingi.
None whatsoever, ma'am.
None whatsoever. Ganon din yung SOJ, pati yung SND. Wala kayong balita, wala kayong hinikayat, wala kayong pakikiusap na ilabas na yan sa lalong madaling panahon.
Wala po ako rito noon eh. Nasa Vienna po ako. Ma-attend po ako ng United Nations meeting sa Judge and Kind in ODC.
Yung March 10 o yung 11 po?
Parehong araw po wala po ako rito. Ngunit nakikipag-usap ako sa telepono na tinatanong ko yung nangyayari dito sapagkat ang Department of Justice ay involved siyempre sa bawat proseso. At kinakausap ko po yung mga pwede kong kausapin tungkol dito.
Okay, so wala kayo dito pero kayo nag-anunsyo at lumabas sa balita na alas 3 ng umaga pa lang ng Martes andyan na yung notice of warrant.
It was me, ma'am. It was me.
Si Bagrimulya yun, baka
It was me who
nakonsulta media.
confirmed, ma'am. It was me who confirmed during the press conference of March, on Tuesday, March 11, I think, that when the president asked me on when the notice of diffusion arrived, and I stated it was 3 a.m.
Salamat. Okay, si General Marbil, may idadagdag po kayo. Kayo daw ang nakatanggap eh.
Natanggap ko po yun ay more or less after ng 3 o'clock. So usually ito po talaga ginagawa namin pagka meron po request ang PCTC Interpol, we act po doon sa kanila po. Kung ano po yung request ng PCTC Interpol.
Maraming salamat, General Marbil. At
Ayan, booking na, no? Nabubuking na sila. Tapos, super deny pa, no? Talagang, ayan, lagot kayo ngayon. At maraming salamat sa panonood pagkinig dito kay Rob Trip, and see us again the next one sa ating reaction video, and peace out.